Hey everybody, and welcome to the GameGlass beta. We're really excited to have you guys on board. This is a huge monumental moment for us in GameGlass history, and we're very, very excited. So we hope you enjoy what we have created for you, and let's just jump right in and get started and let you guys know how you can get into GameGlass right away. So by now, what's happening is we're sending out a batch of emails that's going to include your access key. Your access key is important for registering a GameGlass account. Now, if you're looking at this video after we've stopped our Indiegogo campaign, you will not need this access key anymore. Once you make a purchase on our website, then your account is created. You won't need a code. You'll just be able to log in right away. So this is specifically for people that have purchased and backed us on Indiegogo and have received a key in an email or have gotten a key from a friend. So let's get started and we'll show you what we need to get to do here. And yeah, let's just jump right in. So, okay. So now that you've got that beta code in your email, we're going to click on the link that was in the email, and you're going to be taken to this page called Register. So on this page, you're going to choose a username. You're going to choose your email address. You're going to create a password, confirm it, and enter your access key. Once you do that, you will be brought to a page called Welcome. Now on this welcome page, you're going to get a link here to download GameGlass. So this is going to be the application that runs on your computer alongside Star Citizen. Right now, we're still in the process of obtaining the proper certificates. Ironically enough, we believe that certificate's going to be delivered the day after we launch beta, but for now, you're going to need to take this extra step when installing it. Click on More Info and click on Install anyways once you've downloaded it. So just click on that link, download GameGlass. And then the next thing you're going to want to do is, well, once you get to the client, first thing you're actually going to do is download and install the client, of course. Once you've installed the client, what you can do next is you can load up the client and you can log in with your information. So I'm just going to do that here to show you what I mean. So we'll log in. Okay, so I'm logged in. Now you'll also notice that all the branding's changed, but we have also got apps now on the Google Play Store, on the App Store for Apple, and the Amazon Store. We're still waiting on the Microsoft Store. And as of the moment of recording this video, there's actually two apps on the Amazon Store if you search for GameGlass. Download the one with the most recent icon, which is this icon here. We're just in the process of getting the old one removed. So now that you've got this installed and you're all logged in, you should be good to go. So there's also a settings tab here. You can click on this. If you've got additional IP addresses, then you can change them here. You want to make sure you're connected to the same network that you're connecting to on your tablet. If you want to change it, click on save and then you should be good. So let's go back to information here. So there's multiple ways of connecting to GameGlass on your tablet. You can either use the app, the native app, find it on the App Store, or you can browse to this address in a browser, be it Chrome or Firefox or Safari. For iOS, I highly recommend you use the app from the App Store. It is a much better experience and has better full screen capabilities. So now that that's out of the way, you've logged in to the client. The next thing you're going to do is go onto your device, and once you load GameGlass up on either the app or on a browser, you're going to come to this page here. You're going to log in with those same credentials. You're going to click on Initialize. And so the first thing you're going to see is that we have all these different keybinds now. So you're going to be able to choose your keyboard layout. There's the default layout, which is QWERTY keyboard, Europe, which is QWERTZ, and France, which is AZERTY layouts. So just choose the one that relates to your keyboard. So we're going to go with the default. So There's also a link here. You can click on install keybinds. It's going to explain exactly how to install those keybinds. We actually have an automated process of doing this for you. But if you're having issues in-game finding the GameGlass keybind file, I recommend you go to your settings tab in GameGlass. I'll show you where that is after. Click on install keybinds again and read the document we have there. It's very thorough. It'll explain exactly what you need to do to get the keybinds working properly. So we're going to click on save and close. And now we have GameGlass loaded. You can see up here in the top left, it says connected. So we know we're connected. And as I was saying before, you can click on the settings over here and you can choose your keyboard layout again if you desire. And it's a logout button and you can save and close it here as well. Again, so included in the beta, we've got the flight systems, we've got the ground shard, and we've got the shields and combat shards all ready for you guys. So we've also redesigned the bottom menu to make it more interactive and obvious on what exactly those icons are doing. Okay, so let's dive in next to Starsis, and just so I can show you the keybinds and how that's supposed to function. So if we go into the game, we go to options. Now what should happen automatically for you is if you go to keybinds, advanced keybinds, and look at your control profiles, you should see GameGlass here. And we're just going to click on that. And we're going to click on keyboard. And we're going to click on mouse. So we need to do this in order for everything to work properly. We need to be using the GameGlass keybinds. Another really simple way of doing it that some of you might prefer is if you type in console pp_rebind keys. I believe it's GameGlass_sc_keybinds.xml. And you just do that, and it should say that your keybinds have been loaded. And you can also note that it gives you the directory that they should be in. So we can also hop back out of the game here, and we can load up that directory. You can see in my computer that I've got this keybinds file loaded here. You're also going to be able to find that if we go to settings, click on install keybinds. This is actually this is an old version of this. So let's go to the right version. I will change that before we launch beta. It's this one here, GameGlass Keybinds 3.5. Click on this. We have a link to download the keybinds here. You can check out the Google Sheet, which contains all of the keybind information that will always be kept up to date. It has information on the command to type in console and descriptions on every step that you need to take. It also has the file attached here. Okay. So I believe that that is it, and that's all you need to do to get started with GameGlass. If you have any questions at all, obviously be sure to contact us on one of our support channels, be it Discord, support@gameglass.gg. We love to hear your feedback. You can also you can review us on any of the app stores. Another thing to note is that it's still beta, so this does not work on phones yet. I know a lot of you are trying to use it on a phone. It does not work properly on phones. If you have a massive phone, it might work, but I highly recommend that you use a tablet for this experience. We are going to be delivering mobile experiences, but they are not done yet. So just keep that in mind. If you download the app from the App Store on an Android phone, I know for a fact that it's not going to work. So make sure you're using a tablet. All right, everybody. I hope you enjoy GameGlass as much as we've enjoyed creating it for you. It's been a long journey for us and a lot of time and effort from everybody on the GameGlass team who have just put their heart and soul into this. So from behalf of all of us at GameGlass, thank you for your support, and we look forward to releasing more shards for you guys and keeping this momentum going into launch. All right. See you guys in the verse.